Hey everyone, it's Mandy.mak. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, I'm Mandy. I love makeup, I love food, and I love you. Thanks for being here, and I hope you like what you see. All right, getting into today's video, Ulta haul. Now, when I was in New Jersey a couple weeks ago, I went to Ulta, and I always do when I go to America because we don't have Ulta in Canada. I'm from Canada, so we have Sephora, we have MAC. That's what we got to work with. So every time I go to the States, I'm like, Ulta, that's my first destination. So I went to Ulta a couple weeks ago, and it's funny because I wanted to unbox this with you guys. So I haven't opened any of my products until I've done this video. And I'm like, okay, I need to get on this video because I want to use what I bought. So today is an Ulta unboxing, unbagging. The first thing I got at Ulta is Tarte shape tape. Oh my God. We don't have this here. We do not. This is no. Canada? No, okay? We have Tarte, but I think their other line is Amazonian clay or something to that effect. It is not Tarte shape tape. Okay? Now, I got a sample in my Ipsy bag and I have not turned back. I can't. It is the best concealer I've ever used, by far. So I got this as soon as we went to Ulta, and it was actually on sale for $28, and you got like a little beauty blender and like a cute little flamingo. So I'll take it. Anyways, oh, it's amazing. My shade is light medium. The other things I got were Morphe brushes. If you watched my previous video, you now know that Canada has a Morphe, but obviously I went before they opened the Morphe store here, and you could only ever purchase Morphe in the States unless you wanted to go online and purchase it, which shipping, customs, etc. Sometimes it's not worth it, and that's the hard part because Morphe is worth it. But anyways, I got brushes. I got the M444. I guess I can open it now. So it's a buffer brush, and it is the M444. Then I got it's just a buffer brush for your, it's like a crease brush for your eyeshadow. It is the M441. And it's just like a nice crease brush, so you can really get that definition when you're trying to get into your crease.
Duh. Winning.
Then my last one is another crease brush. It's just a bit more, it's like a blender brush. You could say you can use a crease brush to blend, and you can use a blender brush to do your crease, but there's more definition based on their points, how fluffy they are, how stiff they are. So this is a blender brush, and it is the M573. I love Morphe brushes, living, and now that we have a Morphe store, I will be getting more. One more thing I wanted to unbox. It's not from Ulta, but my friend had got it for me, and it's so exciting. It is Jeffree Star's lip liner. It's in unicorn blood. Oh my God. It's like I just can't. Not only is the pigmentation like beyond belief, but I'm a sucker for packaging. Look at that. Like, are you kidding me? Oh, packaging. Look at this. It has Jeffree Star's logo on it. It's just, I can just sit here. Just sit here. Yeah, just stay there the whole video. So, very, very thankful for my girl getting me this. Thank you. All right, guys, that was the video for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know if you have any unboxing videos. Link them down below. I'm always here to help out fellow YouTubers. Again, thank you for being here. If you were new, hope you liked what you saw. If you are returning, welcome back. And I hope to catch either of you in the next one. Bye, guys.